So this fit, the class is LM, which is the linear model. The linear model is the class of fit, which is given by the class function. So next we'll come to generics or methods in R. So there are S4 and S3 style generic functions. They look different, but conceptually they are the same. They play the same role. So when you program, you can write new methods for an existing generic or create your own generics and associated methods. Of course, if a data type does not exist in R, so let's say that matches your needs, you can always define a new class along with generics or methods that go with it. So if you want a data type to come into the R programming system, but it doesn't exist in the set of data types in R, then you can define your own generic or methods and then create the data type you want. An S3 generic function in the base package. So I'm giving you a small example. This is the one of the S3 generic function in the base package, the main function. So the main function is actually generic. So if I put mean, so how to use this method: bytecode environment namespace based in the base package. It's a function of x comma etc etc. So again, there are a lot of um, functions, generics. So again, print, same way, like main print. So a lot of functions are there in the base package, generic functions. So you can see those in the base package. And, so S3 methods, it's like, let's see, methods of main. So you have main.date, main.default, main.difftime, main.posixct, main.posixct. So you have this many sets of S3 methods associated with main. So next we'll see about an S4 generic function. Again, this is from the methods package, and S3 was from the base package. So what is there is the print function in the S3 generic class. So like we have a S4 equivalent for that, which is called show. Now if I use show, you'll get it's a standard generic for show, defined from the package methods. It's a function of object, standard generic show, bytecode environment. Methods may be defined for arguments, object use methods, show for currently available ones. Now like we saw this standard generic for show, defined per package methods. These all we saw in that R module. So yeah, as you can see here, this generic function excludes non-simple inheritance C setters. So it's not directly not called directly. So because objects are auto printed. So if you just print, if there is an object called X, you just print X, it will automatically print it. So that's the reason we don't use show as much.